State officials are out at a contaminated site in Wyoming today as they prepare to start cleanup efforts this summer. The location? It's the old Spartan Chemicals site off of 28th Street. Our Matt Witkos is looking into the state's plans with what's next for that area. Matt?
Yeah, a big step for this cleanup. State officials have tried to work on this area site for years ago. They stopped following a rise in air contamination. Now they say the right time is now.
This is a huge step to get this site remediated, and personally, I'm very excited to hit the ground running and get going.
State officials in Wyoming Tuesday taking new samples of the Spartan Chemicals Superfund site.
It has been some time that Eagle and the EPA have been efforting to get this site cleaned up.
Environment, Great Lakes, and Energy setting June 12th as the day one of this massive cleanup.
We are going to be doing this to remove metals and VOC impacted soil along with a portion of the residual smear present at the water table.
Spartan Chemical operated on 28th and east of Byron Center from 1952 to 91, dealing mostly with chemical storage. According to the state, in the early 60s, the company discharged wastewater to the ground. Then in 83, became a Superfund site.
Pollution exists in the soil, surface water, sediment, and or groundwater, but also meets certain criteria that qualifies it to be added to the NPL or National Priorities List.
The state tried excavating the contaminated soil back in 2015. Then a problem presented itself as air sensors began showing contamination was in the air.
These compounds, which were found in soil at the Spartan site, can evaporate to the air. In certain quantities, they can be harmful if they are inhaled. They are commonly used in industrial settings for purposes like degreasing and solvents, and are used in commercial settings for dry cleaning clothing.
Contractors put a cover over it to stop the spread. Then it was back to the drawing board. The state did a pilot study back in 21 with a new plan to remediate and excavate the contaminated soil, a plan they're now using on a much larger scale.
3 methods for controlling VOC emissions were foam suppressant, liquid surfactant, temporary structure fitted with VOC filtering air handling units.
Eagle adds a foam that's going to be used does not have PFAS in it, which are man-made chemicals in a number of products and have been linked to health issues like cancer.
We will be demolishing 2 existing buildings, an existing warehouse and a former treatment building. Additionally, demolish and remove concrete and asphalt surrounding this area prior to the excavation.
Eagle says they're going to be conducting air samples during their time there. They say the project is expected to be done in November. At this time, there are no plans for what's next for the area. In studio, I'm Matt Witkos, Fox 17 News.